our third and final move on our 24-night cruise. This is a promenade stateroom. I just want you all to admire Cruise with Caffrey's fantastic magnets. I mean, we've got one from Ben Beal up there, but that doesn't count. So it's just Cruise with Caffrey ones are really good. Recommended. Let's go inside. There you go, it's nice size. So when we arrived, or when we could get in the room, we basically unpacked, and it took us about an hour. We had two cases, two large cases, two small ones, and as you can see, they're nowhere in sight. Big ones under the bed and two small ones in the cupboard. So as a promenade stateroom, we got two nice little couch areas. There was a glass table in the middle here, and we asked the attendant to remove them, because the last thing you want to do is fall over a table. And I finally got the Union Jack back up. We didn't put it up on the 3-night one. And we have our fan on the wall. For some reason, the aircon in here was switched to high, so we turned that right down so to try and cool it and left the fan on. There's the bed. So the process we do now is with the Dettol, other kind of brands available, and we basically will spray all the areas in here, all along there, get them all done. And there's plenty of storage, by the way. You've got the drawers there, and you've got the bit there. Quick look into the bathroom. Standard Royal Caribbean bathroom on these old ships. Still in good nick, I might add. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, just standard though. In this cupboard. Okay, so just open this up so you can see. So we've already unpacked clothes up there. Cases hidden down on the floor. For some reason they've got life jackets there. I don't know how many people think they're in there, unless you're going to get one on that bottom. Normal safe. Normally when you get in here, the safe is open. You put your combination in it, type it in, and press lock. And then to unlock it, you put your combination in. Oh, sorry. We also do the spray all the areas in the bathroom. So that's it. Yeah. Actually, quite a nice room it is, but it's one that you can get into next door. Well, we don't want to get into next door, but it's an adjoining one. Okay. Cheers.